Good morning, Divergence traders. How y'all doing today? I'm okay. I was just sleeping just now. I pretty much slept through the whole thing here, but I was trading at 4 o'clock in the morning. I was burning the candle at both ends. But I did okay, so this is good. I made around, what was that? Around 40 points. Something like that. So anyway, let's take a look here at the divergence. We definitely do have some divergence. There's some right here. Higher highs. And we sell it down. And down she goes. Okay. Now, this move up here, it really boogied right here and here. I was still here watching at this point, so what time was that at? I think that was 9:30, 40, 9:40, 9:50. Yeah, 9:45. So I watched the opening, take off parabolically to the fucking moon. That's what happened there. There was no divergence here, you see, and that is because this needs to be less than this side. And it wasn't. So there was no buy trade. Okay, let's bring this right over here. There was no buy trade in here unless you're gonna unless you were gonna trade my stupid silly moving averages. When they cross up and it says it's a buy, and when it stays up above the 7, it tells you no selling, no selling, no selling. Not even here. Well, you could if you want to be a, big balls of steel to fucking do it. You could have bought this lower close and up it goes. I was about to do it. And I said, I'm going to sleep. I've been up all fucking night. You know what I mean? I got to pause this for a sec. Resume. Okay, I'm back again. I just had to go get some aqua from the God's water. And God's water is from the Great Lakes. The Great Lakes of North America that flow into Canada and into the United States. So we both get to enjoy the water from both sides of, the Great Lakes. Okay, so anyway, there was a nice trade here. It was good. So anyway, in here, like I said, if you traded the cross up, you would have done good. And also, here's a lower close, buy it, up it goes. And when it got to here, oh whammo, it went up, man. Holy jeez, it went up there. And then they just dropped it like a hammer, boom. And then they bought it back up again, and they brought it back down again, and then they bought it back up again. Oh, I'm glad I was sleeping for this one. And then here's the trade. Let me show you. Let me show you the trade. We have higher highs. Yeah, remember those higher highs? Yeah, those higher highs. Some people think that's funny. I think it's funny too. Yeah. You think you're going to conquer this market trading higher highs? Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Never know. Never know until it happens. Okay, where the fuck am I going to put this? Okay, over here. No. That's not where I'm going to put that. Sorry, I got all mixed up there. Mode Z. The divergence is right here. From here to here. Right here. Boom. That's divergence if I ever saw it. And we would have got short right on the opening of this candle that the arrow is pointing to. And it went down and it went down. And what did we have here? We had a higher close, sell it, and down it goes. Okay. Give me this, you little bugger. It's gonna play games with me. Okay, we gotta do that again. I'll get it this time. Just gotta put it on the right candle. This one. I don't know if you can hear that. It sounds like a lawnmower running or something, but we don't got no lawnmowers here. We got snow. If you can hear it, I don't know. It's I don't know what it is. Maybe a salt truck spreader. I don't know, something. So there's the higher close. Sell it, down it goes. There was one where I didn't do it because I don't know where it disappeared to. I didn't do the trade because they came right back down. Fuck, I don't even know where it is. Well, that's crazy. Can't even mark it. There was somewhere in here where it came down and they bought back up off of it. I don't know. It's gone now. So anyway, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 arrows, and we had 4 winners. Yes, indeed, on the 2-minute time frame. Yeah, it was a very moving day, I guess you could say. The markets were fucking moving, man. And I was sleeping through most of it, and I enjoyed my sleep. Okay, so now we're gonna go to MetaTrader. Here's MetaTrader. Let's go look here. Oh, look at that, eh? That double top. This is on the 1 minute. Let's look at the 5. Forgetting where to click because I'm going from one platform to the other. Okay, there we go. I got it. Okay, there's divergence right here, ladies and gents. There's actually divergence here, and I'll mark it in for you guys. Okay, some of you traded at, 7:15 or so. That was divergent. It would have got long right there. Went up, and then it came down. But if you would have got long right here, okay, your stop would be where? At the swing low right here. So when this came back down, if you were brave enough to hold it, it didn't hit the stop loss. Your stop loss was in the correct place. It was a pretty big stop, though, I would have to say. It was a 32 point stop. Did it go up 32 points here? No, just 26. What about here? 31. No. So you had to suffer before it went up. Okay, and then we had this high and higher high divergence. And here is the downslope of the opposite. And you would have got short right in here. Got short right there. And it went down quickly in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It went down 87 points. And then it came back up again. That's it for the NASDAQ 5-minute. Let's look at the S and the P 5-minute. Whoa, what a mess that was. S&P. That looks like a typical S&P day. Up, down, fucking up, down. And they just broke the high of the day here. At least I think they did. Yeah, they did. They just broke it now. Here we go. Okay, so I'm not marking nothing on there on the S&P 500. It's just, it's retarded. And it's retarded. There's big players who play the S&P. Big motherfucking players. Like, we're talking, I don't even know, man. I couldn't even tell you. Hundreds, thousands of contracts, man, traded in this shit right in here. Oh, they must have got creamed in here today. Oh, boy. And what about the Dow? Oh, look at that ugly freaking, what the freak? There's no divergence here to buy. No. But there is, no, don't want to delete the OSMA. But there is divergence, ladies and gentlemen. And it's right here. Oh, I'm still tired. Yeah. Okay, right there. And you would have got long. Exactly right there on the opening of that candle. And there was zero drawdown. And it went up 156 points on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, so we have lower lows here, but see, the right side of this needs to be less than the left side, so there's no divergence here. All that there is if you bought in here and it went up 100 because the 5 is above the 7. Okay, pound dollar, 15-minute. Yeah, it's looking bad. It's not looking good. Oh. See, there's no divergence here to buy it up. It's a mess. Let's look at the euro. Euro yen. It's another mess. I don't see no divergence here either. Oh, right here I see some. I'll mark that on there for you. Low and lower, double bottom. And you would have got this one in there like that. And you would have went long with zero drawdown right there. And up it went. 15 pips. That's a Euro USD. That's such a joke. I don't know why I fucking look at it. I stopped and then somebody said, oh, it started, you know. They said, I trade the Euro. Oh, can you please show the Euro? And I said, okay, I will. Okay, let's look at pound yen. Oh, there's perfect bottom. Perfect double bottom, that is, right there. Yeah, right there, just makes it, just by the skin of their teeth, makes that to be divergent. And it went up 23.5 pips on the pound yen. Wow, pound yen hardly moving today. And look at how crazy the NASDAQ and everything is. Crazy. Euro yen? Oh, Euro yen, not good. Not good, euro, yen. What's this white line for? Who the hell knows? Oh, God. I have no words for that chart. I got no words for it. It's stupid. There's no divergence there. You see, you can't have divergence every day on every chart. You just can't. There's some days you don't have it. It's very rare, but there's days where we don't have it. Let's look at the, what's this? This is oil. Oh, they're buying oil up. Gasoline's going to go up. Let me take a look at this on the daily or the 4 hour. Oh, wow. See? The damn Democrats. See, they're making this more expensive. Wow. Did a lot of markings on here and never cleared the charts. Okay, I'm just going to leave that like that. Okay, 15-minute maybe? Yeah, 15-minute. We did have divergence. We had basically a bottoming action formation right here. That's what I call it when I see a whole bunch of candles at one spot, either at the top or the bottom. The top is top. I call it topping formation, and this one here, I call it bottoming action. There's the trade for that. Just need the arrow. And you would have got in right there. And where did it go? How far did it go? It went up 90 ticks, 90 points. And what about our friend gold? Yeah, I heard from my friend Fook, who loves to trade the gold. I heard from him. He wished me Merry Christmas. So that was nice of him. I wonder if he's still trading the gold. He's one of my students. He loves the gold. Okay, so let me tighten this up. It's hard to read this. Holy tamale. So we got higher highs right here. See? And then your entry point would have been in the USA session right in here. You would have sold it and it went down 134 points. It went down. And over here we have a low and lower low. Okay, this is in the UK session right here, lower lows. Right there. See how this definitely qualifies? Because it has a bigger valley on the left side and then a smaller one on the right. That's how it works. That's how you make that work. So that would have been a trade and you would have went up. You would have been a buyer. Right in there. Just checking my toe here to see if it's bleeding. Oh, shit. I lost my baby toenail. I had to twist it and peel it off my freaking toe. Yeah. I've lost so many nails in the past 10 years. It's unbelievable. I keep stubbing my toe or something and they fall off. They want to go away. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, our two trades are this right here. We have lower lows and we have higher highs and, you know, up we go and down we go. And we would have made money. That's what the game's all about, and that's gold. Now, let's look at, you know, Bitcoin and stuff. It rallied up, I think, into the night. Oh, yeah, for sure. I was just looking at this other chart. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, it's on its way up. It's doing okay. It's holding its ground. Still at 97,400 something. And what about XRP? Oh yeah, it's trying to climb the parabolic mountain right here. We're sitting at 244. I'm thinking that we're probably going to break through the highs here. $3, 330 is the all-time high. And it's on some Asian platforms. It was 384 or something like that, $4. Okay, and silver, yeah, it's not doing nothing. And Ether, oh, Ether's coming back up with Bitcoin. US dollar, yeah, now it's trying. And the USDX. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching and listening, and good luck and good trading. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next week.